source to vessel B, so they spend a lot of time of cleaning the vessels. So it's very connected to each other. So the next phase is transportation waiting time. They have a huge batching and waiting time, and yeah, this is like the main and the main wastes of your ivory. So what we try to do, we try to find some tools which could like help to avoid or to reduce the waste. So we choose 5S combining with Kanban. I will tell you about 5S and Ennis will tell you about Kanban. So the 5S is, here is the abbreviation of the S, it's the Japanese word. The translation is here in English. I start with sort. This is the first stage. We can use the red technique. It means the management or an employee go through the factory, and everywhere when he see a bad process or inconsistent flow, he put like a red card so everyone can see, stop, here's a bad process. The next stage is straighten. It means you using grids, labels, and floors, lines on the floor. For example, the employee knows here's the rubbish bin, and the rubbish bin always stay here. So what's the result of this? It minimizes your operation layout and waiting time, and also maximize your resource. The next stage is shine. It means you just clean and maintains your working place, so it becomes really clear and you structure your place. And the next stage is standardize. What we choose is to use Kanban. He will tell you in the next slide. And the final stage is sustain. It means if you choose a tool, you should keep it, not like to change every week a new tool or adapt a new tool, so it becomes more complicated.
Right, just to quickly round up the presentation. Conventionally, companies applying lean methodology tend to combine tools, and that's why we try to see how we can combine as Kanban to sort out the waste issues of new average. And I'm going to strike my last presentation here from the standardized stage of 5S. And if you look at Kanban, what does it actually do? Kanban specifies the amount and type of product that each process should produce. And the implication of that is that you're going to completely knock down overproduction. The system is bound to get more flexible and more integrated. And again, information sharing within the process is equally going to be simpler, more efficient. Now the question is, how can you average do this? I'll give you two propositions that we try to make. First of all, the logical starting point would be for the company to streamline